Hello and welcome to this video tutorial for how to reserve a study room at the Hobby Memorial Library. From the library's main page, scroll down to Room Reservation and then click on Reserve a Room, choose Study Rooms. This will bring up a grid that allows you to see room availability. On the left here, you'll see what study rooms are available, the maximum seating capacity, if it's handicapped, accessible, or if there's power. I can click on the name of the study room to see what it will look like for its configuration. If I go back to my grid, study rooms need to be reserved 24 hours prior to when you want to use them. So I can click on like next available and it will show me what dates and times have been reserved or which ones are available. Anything that's green is good. Or if I want to go to maybe a different date, I can click on the calendar and say maybe Thursday and then just come to this point here, and I want to reserve the room, say at 9 o'clock. I want 216 at 9 o'clock. So what I'm going to do is click on this first green box here. When I do that, it highlights the green boxes and turns them yellow. This is my booking. Now the library allows me to check out rooms for 3 hours. So if I come down to this drop-down box, I can actually put in the end time. And so I'll click on noon for Thursday, and it extends my time right here. Then I'll just, if I need to change it, I can do it at this stage, or I can delete it by clicking on the little delete button here. Then I'll submit my times. This gives me a chance to review and change my reservation, and then I have my terms and conditions. I'll click on continue, put in my name like that, put in my email address. If I need any equipment, I can put that in. If I want to have a group or study name, I can put that here. I do need to put how many people will be in the study room with me. So it could be anywhere from 1 to 5. That's the maximum capacity. I'm going to have 3 other people in there. And then put in my phone number like that. And then submit my booking. I'll get a confirmation message. There is a link to an interactive map that allows me to see the library's floor plan and shows me exactly which room I have reserved. Then when I get my email, I'll have a message that looks like this. It'll tell me that I have reserved room 216, the date and time. Again, has the link for the map. And then when I come into the library, I'll still need to stop at the circulation desk to check out the room. When I get up to the room, right in the window, there will be a little QR code right next to the door. And I'll just take my cell phone, scan the QR code, and it will ask me, when I scan the QR code, it'll have a link that I can then tap, and it'll take me to where it says checking in, and put in my 3-digit code. And there is the check-in code right there, that 3-digit thingy right there. And that'll tell the software I've checked in. When I'm ready to leave, I scan the QR code again, enter in that number, and there'll be a link that says check out. And then I'll go downstairs, return in the yellow placard that I'll have gotten from the circulation desk. If I need to cancel my reservation, I can cancel it right here. by clicking on that link, and it will tell me that it's ready to cancel. I just say cancel the booking, and that removes the booking. So that's how you reserve, check in, check out, and cancel a room reservation here at the Hobby Memorial Library.